4, 3, 2, 1.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Quinnboystv for another knee hockey. Yeah! We are back for season 3. It's been a while.
We are rusty.
We are definitely rusty. We have not played knee hockey since this happened. Ryan might have gotten a little bit taller. John is a year older. John just had his birthday 2 weeks ago. Okay, so last year the Florida Panthers won the title. They made it all through the regular season, made the playoffs, had their deep run throughout the playoffs to get to the Quinn Cup final where they defeated the Dallas Stars 2-1. Now we are gonna see who is gonna be crowned the season 3 champ. I won the regular season in points last year, hence the glasses, hence the belt. Champion in the house. I'm looking to repeat.
In one more game, you're not going to be the champ.
Wow. So we're going to kick it off with this first game of the season. It's the Tampa Bay Lightning versus the Detroit Red Wings versus the Ottawa Senators.
This time I'm not on anybody's team.
Yeah, it's free for all. So listen guys, we're gonna do some changes to our arena. I know I told you guys that on the Instagram. Haven't gotten around to doing that yet, but didn't want to delay the season anymore. So we're gonna get into it, but as the season goes on, you might see some changes to this area back here.
And there's gonna be a lot of cameras back here, so you can see from every angle.
We also added some lighting, so we hope that it looks a little bit better visually. Let's get right into it. We're gonna keep things the same, free for all. Ryan shoots on both nets. John and I each guard a net, and it's the first team to score 5 goals wins the game. If you're looking for the schedule, check us out on Instagram. Schedule is posted. I'm the champ. I'm gonna pick first, and I'm gonna take the Detroit Red Wings, and I'm gonna be Dylan Larkin. Go ahead, John. You get to pick second.
I'm gonna be the Tampa Bay Lightning, and I'm gonna be Nikita Kucherov.
I'm gonna be the Ottawa Senators, and I'm gonna be Bobby Me.
That was clever. No, come on. Tell them who you're gonna be.
I'm gonna be the Ottawa Senators, and I'm gonna be Bobby Ryan.
Also known as Bobby Me. Glasses off, belt off.
Hey, kiss that belt goodbye.
Fired up.
So you know you're sweating already.
I know. I'm gonna put in work right now. I'm gonna put in work. My knees feel good.
1 half, 2 half.
Woo! We're underway. Whoa! I didn't even see that shot. Hold on. No problem.
It went between Ryan's legs.
Whoa! That got through me. Ah! Oh! Deflected.
Box your sunshine.
Oh! Ow! Yes! Goal! First goal of the season. Let's go! First goal of the season.
What the heck? Did my face!
Ow! Oh! Hit the post! Ryan's doing work. Oh!
Oh no!
Joe saves it.
Ow!
Oh! Oh!
My first goal!
Yes! Daddy hit me in the knee.
It's not for me, it's the...
Ryan got hit in the canoe. 1 to 1 to 0. Hockey 1, hockey 2, hockey 3. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, the shoulder. Save. Oh. Yes.
Finish poppers.
Oh, yeah. Oh, is that in? Is it in?
I think it's in.
Yeah. Did it cross the red line, honestly? Yes! Yes! 2 to 1!
Where did that go?
I don't know. It hit something. It was deflected in.
Hockey 1, hockey 2, hockey 3.
Go. Oh! Oh! Oh, I tried to go 5-hole. Good save, John. Oh, off my shoulder. Oh, man. And a 1 to 1. Ryan's back on the board. That's cheap.
Oh, your ball was
Hockey 1, hockey 2, hockey 3. Oh, sorry.
Ow. Get on him, Ryan. Oh.
Time out. He hit me twice in a row.
Oh, good block in midair, John.
How is that
It went off my stick. And 2 to 1.
I'm not leaving. I'm at least coming in second.
That went off the butt end of my stick. Ready? Hockey 1. Ooh, it smells.
Or sweat.
John, get your stick on him. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, I got robbed.
It's 2-2-2.
That hit off something. I think that hit off here.
Oh, come on.
2-2-2.
I tried to stop it with my stick and it hopped over it. All right, let's go. 2-2-2.
Hockey 1, hockey 2, hockey 3.
Whoa. Oh.
Oh, so close.
No.
Yes! Yes!
Remember, Ottawa Senators have never lost a game. They went 3-0 last year. Hockey 1.
Hockey 2, hockey 3.
Whoa, yes! Yes!
3-3-2. John, you're losing today, boy.
3-2.
You're losing today, boy. You're losing today, boy. Remember you said in the start, I'm not losing today. It might happen.
It might happen.
It might happen. Hockey 1, hockey 2, hockey 3. Papa Canoe Poppers. Papa Canoe Poppers.
Where is it? Ah! Right on the foot, man. Ow! My foot's cramping up.
I'm gonna use.
Yeah! That's the second time I got thrown with that. Point game, 4-3-2.
Hockey 1, hockey 2, hockey 3.
Oh.
Oh my gosh!
Papa Canoe. Oh. 2, hockey 3. Oh, whoa. Oh, good save. Oh, no! Four, 3, come on. It's like that ball was going in slow motion, but I just couldn't kick my foot across. Hockey 1, hockey 2. No. Oh.
Let's go!
Ow! Ryan! Ow, Ryan! Whoa! I just got punched in the mouth. Alright, hold on. Wait. Ryan, you're choking me. Take that, buddy. Take that. I can't get up. Alright, guys. That was... Ow! Ryan! You can't pull the hair off my legs, Ryan. Ow, that hurts. That was game 1. John takes it. John, did you win game 1 last season? No, Ryan.
Ryan did because
won.
he sprayed us.
Yeah, because Ryan sprayed us with the hose. Ryan won game 1 last year. The Tampa Bay Lightning come away with 2 points. Tampa Bay Lightning come away with 2 points. Detroit Red Wings come away with 1 point. Ottawa Senators come away with 0 points. Thank you for watching this game. We'll see you for game number 2. Get out of here. You're demented. You're saying, ow! That hurts. Come on. You're weird. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Until then, peace and out. Ow. Ow! Ryan! Dude, that was thrown. Ryan, don't you, Ryan!